Hi guys, it's just Kaja here. Today, so anyways, it's just Kaja today, and we're going to be making a Christmas tree. So here are the stuff you're going to need. So you're going to need green garland, which you can have any stuff in it as long as it looks fine. Anyways. And you're going to need some Christmas lights, but at the end, you're going to need some colorful Christmas lights just to make your tree look fancy, even though you thought this was going to be the decorations to the tree. But no, both these are. And then I think this is like yellow or gold garland. It's like gold and white, and whatever you want. It's just like those little exercise things. So anyways, so you're going to need a parent to help you put the tacks on the wall. But if you're like doing it in your apartment room or the hallway, so if you don't have much space in your apartment room, you can just hang it out on in the hallway, like right. And have a parent help you, but I did this by myself.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really
You don't want the security cameras to see. If they do see, you just wanna, I hope they won't notice. Wait, nothing to notice. Hey, where your neighbor is, between you and your neighbor, so pretty much, yeah. So I'm just oh no. Please put it on my channel. you gonna put it on my channel? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Let's go back to making the tree. Let's not just listen to what we were saying. Because it made the rose blue. To punch that like button.